Hi, welcome to this demo. In this video, I will be showing you how I make the websites dynamic so that you can edit them from your own WordPress backend. So basically, we design the themes for yourself so that you can have your own customized and non-bloated themes. And then what we do is to make the contents editable, we create different fields using advanced custom field plugin so that you can use them to make your content dynamic and easily edit them. So let's view this portfolio page. For example, if I go here, I see a lot of different contents here. So how do I edit this from the backend? So what I do is I click on edit page. That will send me to this page, which is the backend. And here, if you go here and if you see here the main page, we have 4 different sections, and then I can only have 4 different sections for now because that's how I coded it. I can change the order of my content just by drag and drop, and if I want to edit the content inside the hero, what I have to do is just click on toggle, and then I can show the section or hide the section. I'll just hide the section for now if I save this one, and then if I reload it, now the hero section is gone. Now let's show it, and then if I say I just move this hero section to second one, I can just save it, and then if I refresh it, the hero section will be underneath this one, and I'll just move it to default position. If I want to remove any of the layout, I can just remove it from here. If I want to add any other layout, I can just add on here, and then I can edit the content from here, like the default stage for this one. So if I refresh it, it should be back on top. Okay, if I want to change any content from here, I just go here and then I can change the content, and then this is the default state. So if I click on contact, I can change the content over here as well. Second stage, this is for this, and third stage, final stage, something like that. So this all will be tailored according to your needs, according to the design that you have, and according to the content that you want to update. Alright, so we are using ACF Flexible Content field for this one, and just don't be scared. It's nothing. It won't slow your site because we are using ACF for it, and then in order to show in the front end, we are using custom templates, which is hand coded by us. So it's not your another blotted drag and drop page builder. So that's the best part about the themes that we create. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are ready to get started with your awesome fast site. Thank you.